SHOVELHEADFFEJ out in the Shovelhead shed, and today is just a super short video. I've actually shot two versions of this video. One, the version is going on the Patreon. That was the original version, and as I looked at it and as I took to smart counsel of my wife, she said, "No, you better put that on Patreon and make another version to put on YouTube." I'm working on a film, you know, just a short film. And so I'm kind of giving little sneak peeks every once in a while on this channel. And I know that I've really been pushing my Patreon page, and that's what I'm really doing on this video, is really pushing my Patreon page, and that's because you know, there's rules that there's things that I want to show, and there's things that I want to put in my little short films, but YouTube really frowns upon it. Now, if I'm Hollywood, I can do it. I can show and say and do just about anything, and Hollywood gets away with it, but the little tiny YouTuber SHOVELHEADFFEJ can't. So you know, if I shoot a video and if I get demonetized because of that video, if I'm really strong in my Patreon game, then who cares? I mean, there's a lot of the big YouTubers, they could care less about AdSense, because AdSense is paid just zero, man. It's nothing, you know. But when you're making $5 a video, $6 a video, or whatever, you know, if you have the money coming in on the Patreon, then it's not that bad. And you know what? It costs money to shoot videos, believe it or not. And I mean, I would like to be able to have the budget to where I could do what I do that's in my mind and in my imagination, and that would be pretty awesome. So anyway, thank you guys that do support my Patreon. You're helping me out, man. And my little disclaimer on this video is that I'm not trying to make a statement politically or anything else, and it's just something that's out of my imagination, and that's it. Like I said, super short video. The video that will be on my Patreon is the original version of it. And this version that you're seeing is what I put on, so I can get, you know, around YouTube censors and demonetization and making people upset and all that other good stuff. So anyway, of course, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for you guys out there that are the commenters. I appreciate it, and man, thank you guys for sticking behind me. I know I say that all the time, and it's only because, man, I'm very, 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 very happy that you guys give me this opportunity to do this. You know, I would do it whether I had 0 viewers, but it's kind of nice when you have a couple viewers and they're like, they give you the thumbs up and all that other stuff. So anyway, that's it. Oh, and I forgot to add that when you go to my Patreon, when you sign up, give me your address and I'll send you a sticker, which is, you know, the price of the sticker is basically, or the price of Patreon is the price of the sticker. So you're either getting the Patreon free or you're getting the sticker free, whichever way you want to look at it. And it's helping me out. It's, you know, I'm not asking for $1 million, but if you got it, I'll take it, or 1,000, I'll take it. So anyway, man, thank you guys, appreciate it, and be safe out there. Peace.
they've done to my country. What are they doing to my world? Have they forgot who we are? Have they forgot what we're capable of? You keep sitting on your high mountain. You keep pushing me. You keep pushing us.